Let's gather up our supplies. First off, we'll need a seed cell, then soil and a shovel, water, and finally our milkweed seed. First we'll take a cell and fill it with soil to the top, making sure it's nice and compacted. Next we'll get our seed ready. Using our finger up to the first knuckle, make it indent into soil to place the seed into, and then cover it back up. Next, add a little bit of water. Now the cell is ready to join the others in the greenhouse, and we're all done.